Hello and welcome back to another Bearded Hobby Homestead installment video thing, something. This is going to be a little bit of a non-homesteady, more renovation-y video where if you've been following us for a while, you'll know about this table. We used to have the fish here and or might be on the other channel. Uncertain, I'll check. I'll link the video where I built this one in the corner regardless. Now, this table has served its purpose for a good long time and we like it. It's good. However, we want to change the setup a little bit by stopping the table right here, moving this corner around to join in over here. That'll create a cupboard, walk-in cupboard space of sorts. So for that to happen, I need to deconstruct this piece and move this over and make it happen. Also, on this side, I'll be constructing another wall going up to this beam right here, where I will be creating another little room that we're going to call a bathroom, a water closet if you will. And yeah, so this is me ripping this apart and rebuilding it. Hope you enjoy. I will be doing this, rebuilding it, and hopefully some of it can help you in a future project. Yeah, let me just, hey, so stop. I made my own wedding ring. At the bottom, I left a little tiny pinhole. That makes it easier to hook up a nail that you can then push if it doesn't want to come out the wood. Alright, so I need to cut these off to leave the entirety of this piece of table intact. But I just realized something. If you want to see how I built this, play this video in reverse. That also gives you quite the idea. I'm being attacked by a vicious dog. Alright, so it's a cold day, but the work has got me hotter So pardon my appearance, it's hot. I got myself a handsaw, wood saw. If you can, get yourself something newer, sharper, better. So forgive me while I hack away at this piece of wood. Alright, that about wraps it up for the demolition portion of this new water closet build. Please stick around for video number 2. That will be coming soon. The whole planning and extending of this soon to be walk-in cupboard. And yes, in the next video I will still look like this, seeing as I'm going to continue off camera, on camera, off video. Anyway, be safe, be blessed. We'll see you soon, right here on the Bearded Hobby Homestead water closet build. Stay safe. Cheers.